Hello students, today we are going to learn about quadrilaterals and its family. Chapter number 5, Understanding Elementary Shapes, Class 6 Mathematics. So children, do you remember a quadrilateral? What is a quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is a polygon which has four sides, a four-sided figure. A four-sided figure is a quadrilateral that you studied in chapter number 4. So I have made a simple quadrilateral ABCD. It has four sides AB, BC, CD and AD. Four angles, angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, and two diagonals AC, and one is BD. So that we have studied this in chapter number 4. You can refer the previous video of chapter 4 quadrilateral. Now let's learn about the quadrilateral, more about quadrilateral and its family members. So there are so many types of special types of quadrilaterals we will study. And what are they? First of all, we'll start with parallelogram. First one among them, we'll study about parallelogram. So see, parallelogram. As the name suggests, parallelogram means both the sides are parallel. If both the sides of a quadrilateral are parallel, then it is come to be known as parallelogram. So let's make one parallelogram. So this is a parallelogram. You can name it P, Q, R and S. Here this PQ is parallel to SR. This is symbol of parallel. This arrow shows that PQ is parallel to SR and PS is parallel to QR. So if both pairs, two pairs are there, one this pair and second this pair are parallel, then we can say this quadrilateral as parallelogram. So write PQ is parallel to SR and PS is parallel to QR. ये दो लाइंस क्या हो गई? पैरेलल है. अगर दो लाइंस पैरेलल है तो then it is called a parallelogram. Also, one more point in parallelogram, that opposite sides are equal. PQ equals to SR and PS equals to QR. Opposite sides are also equal. So we can make the symbol. This is a symbol of equal. If this one line equals to one line, that means these two sides are equal and these two sides are equal. And when we measure the angles, they are also equal. This signifies angle P equals to angle R and angle S equals to angle Q. Opposite angles are also equal. So this is third property. Opposite angles are equal. Angle P equals to angle R and angle S equals to angle Q. These are all properties. What we are studying? Properties of parallelogram. This is the specialty of special type of quadrilateral. This is first one. This is the first member of the family parallelogram. Properties. Opposite sides parallel, also equal, and opposite angles also equal. Angle P equals to angle R, angle S equals to angle Q. And one more property of parallelogram. We know about sides, we know about angles, and we have studied about diagonals also. So here also. See, in parallelogram, diagonals are not equal. If you make diagonals, then if you measure the diagonals, then they are not equal. अगर diagonals बनाते हैं तो diagonals क्या होते हैं? Equal नहीं होते. So diagonals are not equal. So right, diagonals are not equal. Now rectangle. This is the second member of parallelogram. And now see, you know this is 90 degree. This all angles are 90 degree in rectangle. We can observe this is perpendicular to each other. We have studied perpendicular. So this all angles are 90 degree. Then it is a rectangle. अगर if in a quadrilateral में अगर सारे angles 90 degree हो जाते हैं, then we call it a rectangle. So if the sides, let's see about sides. The sides are parallel. Yes, they are looking parallel also, and the sides are parallel. First one will write the sides are parallel. So PQ is parallel to SR and PS is parallel to QR. So obviously the sides are parallel. Also we can check the sides are equal also. PQ equals to SR and PS equals to QR. And PS equals to QR. Third one, about angles. So all angles are equal. So write angle P equals to angle Q equals to angle R equals to angle S. All angles are equals to 90 degree. And one more very important property about diagonals. If we measure the diagonals, then we can see that both diagonals are equal. We can check also. This is 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. So, and this is also 6 centimeter. So diagonals are also equal in parallelogram. We can make diagonals. This is first diagonal PR and it equals to SR, SQ. So right, diagonals are equal. PR equals to SQ. So this is a rectangle. Now we'll study another one. Now see this figure. This figure is a square. All sides are exactly same. So we'll write first. All sides are equal in square. So PQ equals to QR equals to RS equals to PS. All sides are equal. So one line means this all are equal. Secondly, we can check angles. Yes, all angles are 90. Here also all angles are 90. So all angles are equals to 90 degree. So angle P equals to angle Q equals to angle R equals to angle S, all are 90 degree. And what about sides? Sides are always parallel. In rectangle and square, sides are parallel also. So this are parallel. So PQ is parallel to SR and PS is parallel to QR. And about diagonals, what about diagonals? Yes, diagonals are always equal in square. We can check also. So diagonals are equal. PQ equals to PR equals to SQ. These are two diagonals. PR, we can make it PR equals to SQ. And we can check also. So two diagonals are equal. Now comes to the another one. Now the next one is rhombus. See, here also by just observing we can say all sides are equal. So this is a rhombus, all sides equal. First one write and write all sides equal. So PQ equals to QR equals to RS equals to PS. Secondly, are angles 90 degree? No. See, by looking you can say angles are not equal, but opposite angles are equal. Angle P equals to angle R and angle Q equals to angle S. opposite angles are equal. So we'll write opposite angles are equal. That means we can say angle P is equals to angle R and angle Q equals to angle S. Now what about sides parallel? Yes, of course the sides are parallel. PQ is parallel. It is a parallelogram only. Rhombus is a parallelogram. See, all are parallelogram. Rectangle, square, rhombus, these are all parallelograms. So they are all having sides parallel. So PQ is parallel to RS and QR is parallel to PS. Right? PQ is parallel to SR and PS is parallel to QR. And next one about diagonals. So if you check diagonals, are they equal? Let's make diagonals. See, one here and one here. So are they same? No. See, one is smaller, other is larger. So diagonals are not equal. So this rhombus also completes. Now the last one left. Let's take that one also. Now see this figure PQRS. Here we can check that these two are parallel. PQ is parallel to SR, but PS is not parallel to QR, because if we extend these two lines, then they will meet each other. So this is a quadrilateral in which one pair is parallel only. So right, it is a quadrilateral with a pair of parallel side. With a pair, one pair of parallel side. Parallel side. So only one line is parallel, which is that PQ is parallel to SR. And second side is not parallel. Opposite angles also not equal. See, opposite angles are not equal. Diagonals, if we make diagonals, then they also not equal. So all things are not there. Diagonals not equal, opposite sides not equal, opposite angles also not equal. So this is a trapezium. So this completes all the members of quadrilateral family. So I hope you understood the topic. Thank you so much for watching the video.